Now, whether you've hired a social media person or not, you have to know there are two types. So let's talk about that. So I've coached hundreds through an online visibility program, and you can't talk video content without social media. And I hosted a leading expert in social media. So here's type one. Type one owns, just like this lovely lady, Bridget Brady, owns her own social media agency. So they're just not posting and making it all look pretty and going, yeah, that's great, off you go. They're actually giving you the strategy. They're actually working with you and really dialing you in, and it comes with just a little higher budget. So let's talk about type two. When I work with clients and I start talking about strategies, and all of a sudden my client's like, yeah, I don't think my social person knows that. So type two, again, there is no offense to anybody. There's just different types in any industry. And so type two that I want to mention would be kind of a VA or someone maybe offshore that they are posting, they are making the graphics, they are putting your words on and they're scheduling it, but they may not work with you directly on strategy. They're just taking what you're telling them to do and putting it out on social media. And so sometimes that's great. That's all you need because you know the strategy, but sometimes you might need a little bit more. Again, depends on your budget. So if you found this helpful, please put something in the comments to let me know and share it with a friend who might need to hear these two different types.